I didn't read a single book, didn't wake up at 5 a.m., didn't follow any routine. But somehow, my brain rewired itself, quietly, slowly, without me realizing it. You think you're stuck because you're undisciplined, but that's not true. You're just overstimulated. The mind is loud, not because of thought, but because of noise. Endless scrolling, alarms, notifications, self-help overload. Motivation videos started to feel like caffeine crashes. I was consuming clarity, not creating it. So I unplugged, deleted the apps, muted the inspirational content, and I sat in silence, not meditating, not thinking, just sitting. That silence, that's when my brain exhaled for the first time. And in that breath, a reset quietly began. I didn't build habits. I borrowed an identity. Instead of saying, I'll become disciplined, I asked, what would a disciplined version of me do right now? Just once. Not daily. Not perfectly. Just in the moment. It felt like play, like pretending. But the brain, it doesn't know the difference. When you wear an identity enough times, it fits. I didn't track progress. I became someone who naturally moved forward. No pressure, just presence. Just play acting a better version until I became it. And one day, it didn't feel like pretending anymore. Books say, track habits. I say, trap your brain. I left dumbbells in my hallway. I kept my phone in a drawer. Only one chair in my room next to my journal. I didn't make habits easier. I made the wrong choices harder. No decision fatigue, no motivational hacks, just strategic friction. Your environment either supports your future or reinforces your past. And I made mine so obvious, the better version of me had nowhere else to go. I didn't build a routine. I built a magnet for the person I was trying to become. The biggest shift? I stopped forcing growth. No planner, no goal sheets, no optimize every second agenda. I just let my brain breathe. I took slow walks, stared at ceilings, watched shadows move on the floor. At first, it felt like wasting time, but that stillness, it gave birth to clarity I never chased. When the brain is bored, it starts connecting things on its own. Creativity needs boredom. Growth needs space. And I finally gave it that space. And once the rewiring started, there was no going back. Self-help told me to add more routines, more knowledge, more systems. But real rewiring, it starts by subtracting. You don't need to fix your mind. You need to quiet it. You don't need a perfect plan. You need a clear identity. You don't need 10 new habits. You need one quiet decision. I already am the person I want to become. Now let me act like it, just once. Let the silence guide you. Let your environment shape you. Let your mind rest so it can rewire itself. For the next 7 days, no routines, no books, just space. just you, and watch who shows up when the noise fades away.